there is a loss. There is a 25% loss when an article is sold at 225 shillings. At what price should it be sold in order to make a profit of 5%? At what price should it be sold in order to make a profit of 5%? Now, when you buy an item so that you can sell it, so that you can make a profit, that buying price at which you bought that item before selling it out, the price is 100%. Now it depends on how much profit you want to make. You want to make 10% profit, you want to make 20% profit, you want to make 30% profit, you want to make 100% profit, it depends on you. But that price at which you bought the item at is 100%. So if you put a 10% margin, you want to make a profit of 10%. It means that that price at which you are going to sell that item will be the 100% at which you bought it for plus the 10% profit. So your selling price now will be 110%. But if you're going to make a loss, it means you're going to sell the item at a price less than what you bought it at. So if you bought it at 100%, and after selling it, you're making a loss of 25%, it means that you have sold that item at 100% minus the loss 25%. You sold it at 75% of the price. And you have lost 25%. So your selling price is 100% minus the loss you have made, 25%, which will give you 75%. So that price at which you have sold the item will be 75%. Okay, so in our question here, it is telling us that this item was sold at 225 shillings. But at this price, there was a loss of 25% made. Okay, so what is the price of the item? At what price was it bought? So that this guy got a loss of 25% and the price at which he sold was 225. So you think of percentage wise. You say, okay, he bought it at 100% and after selling it he made a 25% loss. So he sold the item at 75%. So you say now, if he sold the item at 75% of the price at which he bought, and this price is 225, the question has already given us. Where it is here? See, there is a 25% loss when an article is sold at 225. So 75% is 225 shillings. Now let's get what is the actual price. At how much was the price bought at, or what was the buying price of the item? So it will be now 100%. But now let's get what is 1%. What is 1%? Okay, so it will be now 225 divided by 75. Okay, so 75 once, 75 goes here 3 times. So 1% is 3 shillings. Now what about the buying price of the item before being sold, which is 100%? It will be how much now? So it will be now 100% is how much? So it will be the 1%, which is 3 shillings, multiplied by 100%, which will give us now 300. So this is the price at which the item was bought at. Meaning this is the buying price. Now the question is saying, at what price should it be sold in order to make a profit of 5%? So now we want to make a profit of 5%. So at what price should we sell this item? So let us get 5% of the buying price of the item. What is 5%? So it will be, let's do it from here, 300, the buying price, multiplied by 5%. Okay? We want to calculate the profit. So 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 3 times 5 is 15. So this is the profit we want to make. The 5% is 15 shillings. This is the profit we want to make. So what is the selling price now? The new selling price? Selling price now will be equal to the buying price 300 plus 15 shillings profit. And the answer is 315 shillings. And that is